good. It's gonna cook up. So I had been thinking that I was gonna cook it in a little glass casserole dish, but I've decided to just use this stainless steel bowl that I mixed everything in. And I've got the oven preheated on 400. I'm gonna stick these in probably about 20 minutes. I don't know, I'm gonna kind of look and see here in a little bit and see how it's cooking up, because I really want some of the juices to start coming out of the apples.
And kind of make almost like a syrup in the bottom of the bowl, because when I put it over my oatmeal, oh my gosh, don't worry, I'm just gonna make a ton of noise here, but
when I put it over top of my oatmeal, I really want to be able to kind of pour some of that syrup in there, and that kind of sweeten the oatmeal whenever it gets mixed into it. So we'll see how it turns out. So while I wait on the apples to cook, I'll do half a cup.
Can you tell I'm the granddaughter of someone who survived the Great Depression? Now, this is cold water, even though I'm pouring it out of a kettle, but I'm just gonna cover the top of the oatmeal with this cold water for the overnight oats. So you can see it came up just a little bit over the yogurt, but I just wanna be sure that it's got plenty of water in there so that it will turn these oats into delicious yumminess that we want. And yes, that's gonna go beautifully over top of this.